In this video, we'll demonstrate how to log out of your X account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to log out of your X account, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Open the X app on your device. Navigate to the home page. Tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner. A side menu will appear. Expand the Settings and Support option. Click on Settings and Privacy. Locate and select your account at the top of the settings page. Under Account Information, scroll down to find the Logout button at the bottom of the page. Tap on Logout and confirm your decision when prompted. That's how you can easily log out of your X account on both iOS and Android devices. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and useful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.